guys, welcome back to the channel. Back with another video. Today we are gonna be doing a repair kind of video. We're actually going to a service center called Dr. Booza. Actually, this is what happened to my tire, and I'm trying to get it repaired. You know, get the tire, fix the tire and get it balanced. I don't know how it happened. Probably I was going fast and hit a pothole or something like that, mostly. Don't know. But yeah, we're gonna get it fixed today. I'm gonna meet up with a friend first. I'm not speaking much because I've tried to get there as fast as I can. So it's already kind of late. It's 10:30 in the morning. I did put my ND16 filter on, but it's completely cloudy, so I don't think it would matter because it's still, you know, sunny and stuff.
ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಇದು ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ
So yeah, I got the tire fixed, but there's a teeny tiny scratch on it, so we're gonna have to adjust with that until I change a wheel or something. So many plans coming up. We'll make it all work. See how it goes. Fingers crossed. Not, I don't want to jinx anything. So yeah, recently I went on a night ride with on my Z650 to a friend's private event. But that ride was pretty fun, pretty cinematic night ride. I'll put the link down in the description below if you guys want to check it out. There's a lot of videos that you can enjoy on my channel, so scroll through, find what you like, watch it. Helps me and entertaining for you too. Pretty cool. Pretty nice too. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, it ends up here, huh? Interesting. Complete traffic, is it? Wonderful. Just what I like. I just want to open my visor if I can. Great. Wow. Whew. So I think this video is going to be just going to be a no talking, less talking kind of video. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please drop a like, share and subscribe. Ride safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.